What's up everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something I have worked so hard on and I'm so excited for. So I created a few outfits inspired by Carrie Bradshaw, the ultimate fashion icon, and I'm obsessed with all of these looks. I think I did a pretty good job. So these aren't necessarily outfits that I recreated, more so just outfits that are inspired by her style. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's get into it. So that concludes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and this definitely was a great challenge for me because it forced me to think outside of the box and kind of use the pieces in my closet that I wouldn't normally pair together. But that's all I have to say, so thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.